Welcome to VALITS. Validating informal transversal skills of young workers in seasonal tourism. To begin, move the mouse cursor to the VALITS tools in the main menu. Click on the validation tool from the submenu. The assessment consists of three main parts. To start the assessment, click on the Part 1. Now click Next. This is the first task. Each task is either non-interactive, a question just like we have here, or interactive. In the top right, you can see the task number you are currently on, and the total amount of tasks. Normally this number will be higher. To go further, click on the answer you think is right. Then click Next. This is an interactive task. Read the instructions and then press the Try Yourself button. Usually there is a time limit for interactive tasks, so check the top right corner for the time left. If you want to read the introduction again, press Info in the bottom left corner. Solve the task in the way you think is right, and then press Finish. After finishing a main part, you will see a similar screen. You can copy the link to continue later. However, we recommend doing the test in one session. Let's fast forward. When you finish all the parts, you will see your results. Here you can match your skills with a sector. You can also download a certificate. Let's choose the first option. The Career Guidance app calculated the top 5 recommended sectors for you. Click on each sector to learn more about it. Here you can find the general description of the sector, typical career levels and paths, typical professions in the sector, sector-specific and general, job portals and recruiting agencies. To get back to your results later, save the link located at the bottom. Don't forget to rate the tool.